everyone, we're out and about in a different part of our neighborhood today to give you an update on what you can find for rent.
Yeah, in our neighborhood, once you cross the main highway, it's a little more affordable.
Yeah, so stay tuned to find out what it's like and how much it costs. This is El Romance neighborhood where we live. This is from the rooftop of the Puerto Vallarta Museum here in El Romance, which is where we live. Let's see, you can come to this art museum. Here's the highway with some houses up in the hills. And from the top here, we can look out towards the highway, which is the Libramiento. This is a very busy highway, and in order to go see the apartment that we're going to go look at, we need to first walk along this side and then we'll cross the highway so that you can see all the neighborhood. Yep, pollo pechugon, rotisserie chicken. This is quite a busy road right here. People take this highway to avoid going through town. And the apartment is over there next to the butcher shop. It's in that yellow building.
Yep, and across the street is a rotisserie chicken place.
Here's where you can get some takeout chicken, rotisserie style.
So right across the street from this apartment that we're going to show you is a very popular rotisserie chicken place. It's open 7 days a week. People are always lined up here, and apparently it's good.
Pretty mural. You might be wondering, what is that smoke and where is it coming from? Well, we're gonna head over there and show you next. This is at the street light that you can cross. And here's a very handy bus stop right here on the same side of the street as the apartment in case you want to go north up to Hotel Zone. This is the place that's even more famous, right on the street across from the apartment.
So this one, I understand, is even more famous. Everybody raves about it, and it's an open barbecue, as you can see.
And that's where the smoke's coming from.
Yeah, a lot of people are sitting here eating today.
And another restaurant, not quite as popular. And we're going to look across the street to see where we are going in just a minute.
If you want to go to the romantic zone, this is the bus stop that will take you there. It's about 50 feet from that apartment place, and it'll get you right into the romantic zone.
And it's 11 pesos.
11 pesos.
One
Wow,
night.
what a deal, huh?
Yeah.
What's the cost of that place?
That one is... Before we tell you the price, we're going to take you across the street and walk down the road to show you there are even more places to eat along the way. And there's the hostel that some of our friends stay at right here that they like to stay. It's $35 a night. Pretty decent. That's where our friend Rhiannon always stays. Buenas tardes. From this vantage point, you can see there's more food to be able to just step out and go by. But from here, we can see across the street to that very famous and popular chicken barbecue place. Next, we're going to walk along the sidewalk up toward the apartment. So let's go.
Escalera.
Okay. Some more handrails. I know. I almost don't need to do this. I don't like no handrails. $8,500 pesos, and we'll put the number down here to show you what the peso rate is today, but that's not including any services. Everything is extra, and that shouldn't be too much either because of the neighborhood.
Right. And one of the things we always say is that there is a price point in Puerto Vallarta for everyone.
Yeah, so let us know what you think of this one in the comments down below, and don't forget to
like and subscribe.
I will see you in the next one.
Ciao.
Hasta luego.
Michael and Luisa on the Michael and Luisa on the Michael and Luisa on the go.